Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I thought I would film a hair tutorial for you all, and that is how to style your bun 3 different ways, or how to style your hair in a bun 3 different ways. I'm going to do one where you only need clips, one where you need a little bun sock whatever. For the third look I am going to do space buns, so putting my hair into 2 buns on top of my head. I'm going to do a voiceover, that way I can focus on doing my hair and not actually speaking to the camera. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Hit that notification bell, that way you'll be notified as to when I upload, and comment down below what you would like to see next or what you thought this video needed. I would really appreciate your feedback, but without further ado, let's get into the video. So I am starting where any hair tutorial or hair look should start, and that is just brushing through your hair and making sure that there are no knots. I'm then going in and brushing my hair up into a high ponytail. I'm making sure that it is smooth with no knots, but if you want, you can have a messy high ponytail. Now that I am happy with my ponytail, I'm taking my bun sock and I'm going to just put my ponytail through it and spread my hair around the bun, that way it covers the whole entire sock. And I'm going to take a clear elastic, it doesn't have to be clear, any elastic will do, and I'm going to slide that over the bun so that it secures it in place. And then I separate my hair and pull it all to the back, almost to make it like I have a pony coming out of my bun at the back of my head. And then I go ahead and plait it in a normal plait, and just plait it all the way to the end, and then secure it again with a clear plastic. I'm going to pull my plait apart just so that it makes it a bit thicker, and then I got interrupted by room service. It's just lunch. Now that lunch is sorted, I am going to take the plait and wrap it around my bun. That way it covers the gap between the bun and my hair. And once I've wrapped it all the way around, I'm just going to take the leftover and tuck it underneath the plait into the bun. And I'm going to secure my bun and the plait together with hairpins, and I'm going to go in the order of, say, about 2 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 8 o'clock and 11 o'clock. So just making sure that I'm getting 4 quarters secured. And that is bun number 1 using the sock. You can see it is nice and big, and it's got a little cute plait around it. For my next bun, I am taking it from a high ponytail, and I am going to wrap my hair around itself and create a knot with my hair. And with the remaining hair, I am going to wrap it around, making sure that the hair goes underneath the knot. And when I reach the end, I'm going to secure it with 2 bobby pins, so one near the end, and then wrap it around further and get all those ends into and underneath the bun. And after that, I'm just going to pull and tug on the bun until I get my desired shape. And this kind of looks like you have a sock in it, but it's just all your hair that you've pulled out and made bigger. Now, under normal circumstances, I would usually grab some hairspray and just fix all the flyaways to my hair, but I don't have any hairspray and I'm quarantined. So for the final look and our space buns, we are going to want to part our hair down the middle. So I take a pintail comb and just following my nose line, making sure that I go all the way to the back and separating my hair. I'm going to take a hair tie and just separate and get rid of the 1/2 so that it is out of the way. I am taking a wide tooth comb to put my hair into pigtails so that it is more of a messy look, and I follow the line of where my eyebrow ends so that I make sure that both my ponytails are going to be in the same spot, and then again I secure it with a hair tie. So I'm just going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side and using my eyebrow end to make sure that the bun is going to be in the same place on either side of my head. I am making sure that my ponytails are as even as possible so that when I make my buns, they are also going to be as even as possible. But when you take your hair, you're going to twist it backwards and create a knot like you did in the previous tutorial, and then again securing it with 2 bobby pins, making sure that it is in place. And I'm moving on to the other side. You want to do the exact same thing, so twisting your hair backwards and creating a knot. Now on this side I always struggle, and I feel like it's because I'm operating on with my left hand being the dominant one, which it is normally not. So once I eventually get through, I secure both of them down, and then I'm going to start pulling them apart and making the space buns as big as I can. So loosening the knot that you have in your hair. Now if any part of your hair comes loose during this time, do not worry, because we are going to secure our buns down. So I am taking hair from the knot or the bun and I'm pulling it down and securing it down to my head. That way I am covering the remainder of the hair that was wrapped underneath the bun, the knot. And yeah, I just go backwards and forwards and just keep repeating that until I am happy with the shape of my buns. Now at the end of this, you can see they were a bit skew, and I just kind of fiddled and messed around with them until I was happy with the way that they looked. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and comment what you would like to see from me next. Bye everyone, see you in my next video.